Okay, Ron Urban with Peak Floors again. So as you'll notice, we basically are getting ready to stain. We've already stained some of the perimeter, as you can see there. One thing you want to make sure that you do when you're using this method, which we're going to use a buffer. I'm going to show you how we buff it on. This is a tool that you can use, I guess an applicator. When you put the stain on with this applicator, you have to make sure that you really wipe your stain off really good, especially towards the end, or else it'll create a line. So notice that it kind of fades out. All right. So you can see over here, just want to show you what the floor looks like sanded. We've already vacuumed, so we've done our final sanding with the 4-pad orbital. We've vacuumed really well. And we've taped everywhere that has quarter round or baseboard. The areas that are not taped, the contractor's going to put baseboard up. So come on over and I'm going to show you how we actually put the stain on and take it off with a floor buffer. Believe it or not, this is a recommended procedure from Bona, one of the recommended ways that you apply it. So we kind of just pour your stain right there in the middle. This is our driver pad. Go ahead and put this. So we're going to apply the stain and then we're going to take it off with a clean carpet pad. All this is just regular carpeting. You want to find something that's not too thick but not too thin. This technique applies it very evenly. You don't waste stain. And obviously it's a lot faster and less wear and tear on your knees doing it this way. So once you get to where you can see that the stain is starting to dry up a little bit, back away, I get my carpet pad that I'm going to use to wipe the stain back off. Set that one on top of my bucket. I always carry a bucket where I can throw my dirty stain rags. I also have these here. You can actually walk through the stain. I don't like doing it, but I use these just makes for a cleaner work environment. But you can walk through the stain as long as you wipe off your shoe marks. A lot of guys do that. I don't like to do it. I like to do this little shuffle, carpet pad shuffle, I call it. Now this is a spice brown stain from Bona. This is the color that the customer chose. It's a beautiful stain. Just go back and forth, make sure that you get all the stain off. And that's it. And then we'll continue to do the rest of the room. Once we get halfway, we'll go ahead and cut in that section, and then we'll finish this room, and we'll go ahead and do the rest of the house. Thanks for tuning in. Join our next video on how to, I guess next we'll be putting the polyurethane down. Take care.